Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Calendar alerts on iPhone and Android step by step clearly. To update Google Calendar alerts on your iPhone, begin by opening the Google Calendar app. Tap on the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner. Select Settings from the menu that appears. Choose your email account associated with Google Calendar. Scroll down to find the Notifications section. Here, you can adjust the default notifications for events, reminders, and deadlines. To change a specific event, go back to the main calendar view. Select the event you want to update. Tap on the pencil icon to edit the event. Scroll to the Notifications section within the event details. Choose your preferred notification time. You can add additional notifications by tapping Add Notification. Once you've made your changes, tap Save in the top right corner. Now, let's move on to updating Google Calendar alerts on your Android device. Start by opening the Google Calendar app on your Android phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Choose the account where your Google Calendar is set up. Scroll to find Notifications. Here, modify the default notification settings according to change alerts for a specific event. Tap on the event from the calendar view. Select the pencil icon to edit that event. Scroll down to the Notifications section of the event page. Choose the notification time that suits you best. Add any additional notifications by selecting Add Notification. After making your updates, tap Save at the top right of the screen. Your Google Calendar alerts are now updated on both iPhone and Android. You can enjoy customized notifications that fit your scheduling needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.